Mark out the center point of the shed. Using a stepladder, align the center of the ridge beam over your pre-marked points, making sure you align the end of the ridge beam with the step of the barge support. Then, fasten the beam to the support using number 10 5/8 screws through the pilot holes. Grab your roof sheets and turn up all the valleys at the ridge end using an adjustable spanner. Then, lay your first roof sheet onto the ridge beam, making sure the middle of the roof sheet crest is in line with the end of the ridge beam. Then, fasten your sheet using the number 10 5/8 washer screws. Grab your ridge caps and your stepladder and position your caps over the ridge beam. Overlap the ridge caps in the middle, then use the number 10 5/8 washer screws to secure the ridge caps in place, drilling the screws with a spacing of 12 inches along the entire length of the ridge cap.